Why does your scanner show the P0092 engine code? What does it mean? P0092 is a diagnostic trouble code for Fuel Pressure Regulator 1, Control Circuit High. It indicates the PCM has detected a high voltage signal from the control circuit of the electronic fuel pressure regulator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: shorted or open wiring or connectors, defective fuel pressure regulator, faulty fuel rail pressure sensor, bad PCM or PCM programming error. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mazda, Honda, Isuzu, GMC, Chevy, Chrysler, Toyota, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.